Hi everyone, this is Julie. Thank you for stopping by to share with me today. I hope you're having a fantabulous day today. And in this video, I'm featuring some information from an article on Italy's Vital. And the title is 40 Controversial FDA Approvals, Products That Sparked Safety Concerns. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to mention the first 10 on the list. But the aim is to show you that even though something is approved by the FDA, it doesn't mean that it is safe. Because I know that some people believe that if something is FDA approved, that means it's okay, that means you can take it. There are many products that have been FDA approved, put on the market, only to be removed later or modified, and mainly it's because of the health concerns. And so let's look at 10 from this article. It says here, the FDA is tasked with ensuring safety and efficacy of products, but history shows that some approvals have been followed by significant safety concerns, recalls, or withdrawals. And below, there's a list of some of these. The first is phenylpropanolamine, an ingredient in cold medicines and weight loss products linked to increased risk of hemorrhagic stroke and withdrawn in 2005. Number 2 is Vioxx, and this was approved in 1999 for pain relief. Vioxx was withdrawn in 2004 after studies showed it significantly increased the risk of heart attack and strokes. Number 3 is Fen-Phen, a weight loss drug combination approved in the 1990s. Fen-Phen was linked to heart valve damage and pulmonary hypertension. It was withdrawn in 1997. Number 4 is Avandia. This was approved in 1999 for diabetes. Avandia was later found to increase the risk of heart attacks. The FDA restricted its use in 2010. Though it remains on the market with limitations. Number 5 is Bextra, and this is a COX-2 inhibitor like Vioxx. Bextra was approved in 2001 for pain relief, but was withdrawn in 2005 due to increased risk of heart attacks, stroke, and severe skin reactions. 6. Zicam nasal gel. This was marketed as a cold remedy. Zicam was linked to anosmia, which is a loss of smell in users. The FDA issued a warning in 2009, and the product was withdrawn, though later returned with modified labeling. Number 7 is Darvan and Darvocet, which were approved in the 1950s for pain relief. These drugs were linked to serious heart rhythm anomalies and overdose risk. The FDA withdrew approval in 2010 after decades of use. Bear that in mind, after decades of use. Number 8 is Assure. This was approved in 2002. Assure was a non-surgical sterilization device. It was later linked to severe complications including chronic pain, perforations, and autoimmune reactions. It was pulled from the market in 2018. So note that it was introduced in 2002 and it was pulled in 2018. So that's 16 years. 16 years. Number 9, opioid painkillers. It can be argued that the FDA's approval and labeling of drugs like OxyContin contributed to the opioid epidemic by underestimating addiction risk and overstating benefits for chronic pain. Number 10, Trovan. This was approved in 1997. This antibiotic was linked to severe liver damage and was withdrawn in 1999. Critics questioned whether the FDA approved it despite known risks. So these are just 10, and this is a list of 40, and I will leave the link below. But I just want people to be aware that many of the drugs that they're taking for various ailments, sometimes the side effects are way worse than what you are dealing with. And so it's important that you do your research on the ingredients and the side effects of what you're taking, and try to find natural alternatives as much as possible. This is your health. And these are just a few of a long list of drugs that were approved that caused severe reactions, and many of these affected the heart very negatively. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and be the change you'd like to see in this world. Have a fantabulous day today. Ta-ta!